I had an unquenchable thirst. My tongue felt like a horse. I was losing my vision. My energy, losing my vision. Losing my energy, getting up every 15 or 20 minutes, or 20 minutes, 15 or 20 minutes all through the night. So I wasn't getting any rest, and as a result of all these things, I lost all my energy. I lost all these things. I wasn't interested in that. So finally, at the urging of my family, the ones who love me the most, the more attention you pay to these things and the more diligent you are, faster you get better, and the better you'll feel. Faster.